right, YouTube, it is day one auto. We are back. Today we are outside. We are outside and it's raining right now. But I wanted to give you guys, like I said, another update about what's going on. And I also wanted to show you guys how to install you guys' wheel studs. So right here, I do have your knuckle. This is for, you can do this if your knuckle is still on the vehicle. But this is going to be for your knuckle being off of the vehicle. Like I say, it's plenty of processes of how to do this. I'm going to show you the quickest way, the easiest way, and the way that I did it. I put my glove on there. I got my new wheel studs here. Make sure you get your new wheel studs. You see, I do have a dually, so these are, some big wheel studs. But what you're gonna do is go ahead and put them in, like so. Put them in the hole. One, two. Three, four, okay, we got a bag that don't want to open for us. Seven, 8. All right, now that you guys can see that, now that you guys got your wheel studs installed, Lucky Hammer, man, take you one of these, and all you're gonna do is yes, sir. And you're gonna do that all the way around.